The landscape of personal computing is undergoing a seismic shift, and if you have been waiting for the ultimate machine, the horizon just got a lot brighter. We are standing at the precipice of a new era with the rumored MacBook Pro M6. This is not just an incremental update. It is a total reimagining of what a professional laptop can achieve in terms of raw power, efficiency, and integrated intelligence. When we talk about the MacBook Pro M6, we are discussing the culmination of Apple's silicon journey, a machine designed to render the impossible mundane. From the moment you lift the lid, you are not just interacting with hardware. You're plugging into a neural processing powerhouse that is set to redefine your workflow. Why is this machine causing such a stir in Cupertino and among professional power users globally? It comes down to the M6 chip's transition to the next-generation manufacturing process. By shrinking the transistor density even further, Apple is essentially removing the thermal bottlenecks that have historically plagued high-performance laptops. The MacBook Pro M6 is expected to deliver a level of sustained performance that makes current desktop workstations look like relics of the past. Think about your daily workflow. Whether you're a video editor scrubbing through 12K raw footage, a 3D artist rendering complex ray trace environments, or a software engineer compiling massive code bases, the MacBook Pro M6 is designed to eliminate the wait time. The architecture behind the M6 is rumored to feature a massive leap in unified memory bandwidth, allowing for instantaneous data transfer between the CPU, GPU, and the specialized neural engine. This means the MacBook Pro M6 can handle large language models locally without breaking a sweat, prioritizing privacy and speed over cloud-dependent processing. This is a game-changer for anyone dealing with AI-integrated workflows. As we look closer at the design philosophy of the MacBook Pro M6, we see a continued commitment to the industrial aesthetic that defines the Pro lineup, but with subtle, performance-driven adjustments. The cooling system inside the MacBook Pro M6 has been completely re-engineered to handle the extreme overhead of the new chip. We are talking about custom-engineered vapor chambers and high-efficiency thermal conductive materials that ensure the MacBook Pro M6 stays cool even when you're pushing it to its absolute limits. And let's talk about that display. The rumored implementation of next-generation micro-LED technology brings deeper blacks, higher brightness levels, and color accuracy that meets the gold standard for cinematographers and colorists. The MacBook Pro M6 is also tackling one of the biggest challenges in the industry: efficiency. With the advancements in the M6 architecture, the performance per watt ratio is expected to shatter records. This means that you can perform your most intensive tasks for hours on end without the fear of your battery life collapsing. The MacBook Pro M6 is quite literally untethering professionals from their desks. You're no longer choosing between mobility and power. You're getting the absolute best of both worlds in a chassis that is surprisingly slim. When you analyze the industry leaks surrounding the MacBook Pro M6, it becomes clear that Apple is positioning this machine to be the long-term workhorse for the next half-decade. The integration of advanced hardware-level security features within the M6 silicon ensures that your sensitive data remains protected by the machine itself, rather than relying solely on software-level firewalls. The MacBook Pro M6 is not just a tool. It is a fortress for your digital assets. For the creative professional, this is the most critical investment you will make this year, because the MacBook Pro M6 is built to grow with the rapidly evolving demands of your software stack. If we shift our focus to the connectivity suite on the MacBook Pro M6, we see a refined approach to the ports that matter most. Apple understands that professionals need reliable, fast, and versatile connections. The MacBook Pro M6 is expected to retain the essential high-speed Thunderbolt 5 ports, ensuring that your external storage arrays and high-resolution displays are running at their maximum potential. Furthermore, the MacBook Pro M6 introduces updated wireless protocols, giving you the fastest possible data transfer speeds over Wi-Fi and the most reliable connection for your peripherals. The hype around the MacBook Pro M6 is certainly justified when you look at the track record of the M-series lineup. Each generation has been a significant leap forward, but the M6 represents a paradigm shift. The MacBook Pro M6 is the result of years of refinement, listening to professional feedback, and iterating on the very fabric of semiconductor design. Whether you are currently using an M1, M2, or even an M3-based machine, the jump to the MacBook Pro M6 is going to feel like an entirely new experience. It is about removing the friction between your ideas and your output. Consider the implications of the neural engine upgrades in the MacBook Pro M6. As creative tools become more AI-centric, having the hardware-accelerated overhead to process these models locally is not just a luxury. It is becoming a requirement. The MacBook Pro M6 is designed to be future-proof in an industry that is changing faster than ever before. If you're doing heavy video editing, 3D rendering, or data-intensive tasks, the MacBook Pro M6 provides the headroom you need to stay ahead of the curve. The MacBook Pro M6 is quite simply the most powerful portable computing device ever conceived for the creative professional. We have to talk about the long-term value of the MacBook Pro M6. When you purchase a machine of this caliber, you're buying into an ecosystem that is optimized from the silicon up. The macOS integration with the M6 chip is seamless, resulting in a system that feels fluid, responsive, and incredibly stable. The MacBook Pro M6 is the centerpiece of a studio setup, capable of handling everything you throw at it while maintaining a level of professionalism that is expected from the Apple brand. The MacBook Pro M6 is the gold standard, and every other laptop manufacturer is currently playing catch-up. As we conclude this look at the MacBook Pro M6, it is clear that we are looking at the next evolution of productivity. The rumors and leaks regarding the MacBook Pro M6 point to a machine that pushes every boundary we thought existed in laptop technology. If you're a professional, a creator, or anyone who demands the absolute best, the MacBook Pro M6 is going to be the most important device to watch throughout this year. The MacBook Pro M6 is not just a revision. It is a declaration of power, efficiency, and the future of work. Stay tuned to the channel, because as more details about the MacBook Pro M6 emerge, we will be here to break them down and show you exactly what this machine is capable of.